What's up, everybody? We're back. Bob's RC car, part 3. What's up, Bob? What's going on, man?
How are you?
I'm doing good, man. So give us an update on the RC cars, man.
All right. Well, my ECU, this guy right here. So this guy controls your throttle. If you want to hand me that, the controller. So it controls your speed, and which then relays it to your controller. What happened was I upgraded the motor on it, so it was pushing a lot more amperage than this could take. This is a, give me that. It's a very nice motor. You know, it's one of the brushless kind, and so we went ahead and we upgraded the ECU. So if you can see that this guy is a lot smaller than this guy. So this is a 300 amp ECU, which basically it's pulling all the amperage from the motor. So we'll be able to hopefully hit 100 miles an hour.
Have fun
And hit 100 miles an hour. And I also got a little stick.
You get new tires too?
No, I studded them. I just studded the fronts and the rears. If you smell this guy, you can. It smells like that that plastic burning smell. It's because smell it and then smell this one. Smell the difference.
Yeah, it definitely smells like there's burnt wires in there.
Hey, Jason.
I'm wearing it.
Jeez, just did a wheelie. Yeah. Jeez, that thing's fast. Oh, tumbled it.
Hey, she's stuck.
Cold. Yeah, she's pretty stuck. Oh, jeez. Jeez, that thing's gone.
You don't.
You don't.
You don't.
You know it all?
Hit the jump.
No.
You got a Subaru.
Ah!
Yeah. All right, now we're in small mode. So this is what you would call medium mode.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Is it good?
So much torque, the battery decided to come loose.
Is it good?
The battery came loose from the holders.
Yeah, it looks like the Velcro's just kind of slipped off.
Brad's trying to make me launch it off the other fucking circle. I'm like, no.
Did you ever strap that down?
Yeah.
All right, now for sure we know the battery is strapped.
It's a little wet in there. Is it good?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's not so much moisture.
36.2 volts.
So what's going on, Bob? Tell us a little bit about this. I see your hand on the forehead. You're
I'm
just like
frustrated.
Are you frustrated, my man? Okay, so what's going on?
So I broke this first of all when I was, driving it with my friends. This is the A-arm holder in order to hold the suspension. But what I'm really, frustrated about, if you look on the side here, you see the suspension screws. Okay. Now look, that's both of these. All right, both suspension screws. They're fucked.
Man. It looks like you snapped this.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like since I snapped it. Now what I might have to do is completely snap it in order to get it out because I can't push this up. So what I was doing, and the reason why that it's probably doing that is because I had an idea in my head and a hypothesis of, because I live here in Alaska, so we have a lot of snow. So if I put the suspension down like that, it would high rise the center of this, so it'd go over the snow a lot better and a lot faster, which it did. But The downside of that is it bent the suspension screws because they're normally supposed to go up here, so it has maybe like that much clearance. So now it's just taking this whole thing apart and getting this new part in there, which is right here, courtesy from the hobby shop. Comes in complete pack, so I technically could change all of this if I wanted to, but I'm only just gonna complete, you know, what's broken.
Get what's broken and get it running again.
Right, but I'm gonna have to get new suspension screws. Well, I won't be able to run it without those.
Looks like you found that going on.
Yep, now it's just in order to take them out. So I have to dismantle basically this whole entire thing, so I might as well have to take the suspension off of this.
Well, looks like it's time for a full front suspension rebuild, Bob.
Yes, sir.
And look what you got here. What do you got here, buddy?
I got myself a 360 RC stand.
That's pretty cool,
So,
man. Not gonna lie.
Comes
all the
off
gadgets.
with a little peg like that. So it goes in there,
That's pretty cool, man.
goes down, we're good.
Nice. That's pretty sick.
Good. That's awesome. 4x4, not the 2-wheel drive.
That's pretty cool. Well, we'll get back to you soon. Bob will have this fixed, and we'll get more to rip. What were you saying about this controller, Bob?
Well, the fact that it's all backwards.
Everything's backwards. What do you mean?
This, when I go up, it's supposed to be reverse. When I go down, it's supposed to be throttle. It's reversed. So this is reverse and that is forward. For this much sway, that's, you know, going almost 100 miles an hour. But for this, that's a lot of reverse for only 50%. You know what I mean? That makes sense?
So you're pretty much saying that when you go up, instead of going forward, you go...
So
Wait,
look.
instead of going backward, you go forward?
Exactly. So you see...
So your left and right's mixed, too. I guess that wouldn't matter too much, though.
So look at the... Holy shit, you're right.
Yeah.
I actually didn't realize that.
It's probably why your steering was all weird. You were, like, doing some weird steering out there.
You're right. But I don't... this is also a new controller for me, so...
We'll get back to that when Bob
actually
figures
reads up on
out
the
how to
controller.
control this controller. So
Yeah,
we'll be back.
ABS,
This is almost done. The mystery's almost solved. So we are now busting out the instruction manual. Busting out.
like, where is it?
Bob is not really sure how to reset the controls on this, so we're gonna do some serious digging. Back to you soon.
Here.
Insane.
Because it allows it not to be...
He'll go higher.
When did you want to go home?
Probably soon. I was like falling asleep on the couch.
Oh, shit. Hit the big one.
Badass.
Get loose. Under the truck. Under the Subaru. Under the truck again. No, man, just letting him go.
Ah! Jeez.
No,
Under the truck. Oh, look at him go!
Under all the trucks. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. Oh, he made it through.
Disrespect, bro. Can you make it on the Subaru?
Nice. He says, screw that. It's way too low.
Need some more fresh powder. Right there, that little triangle.
Soup.
Oh.
Dude, you can see the tires swell.
Only for him to leave, it was good. Uh-oh, he's gonna run it over.
Oh, dude.
Dude, Bob's watching.
Hey, almost. He almost got it ran over. Mere moments. Oh
Look at the corner.
my.
Look at him.
Mere moments.
Oh my god.
You almost lost
I
like,
saw his lights go cook and I was like, I have like 3 seconds.
dude. I was
bro, what are you
like,
doing? You hit
no!
Do it. You hear shifting? Wop, 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 wop. Oh yeah, just tears it up. It's like all these trucks turn on and start going.
Oh, buddy.
You
I
good?
didn't grab it. No, it hit pretty hard. It hit it real hard, bro.
Bob, no.
But I can hear it from here. Hold that for me. My baby, we just fixed you. Oh, my baby,
Oh, it's
my
fucked.
Everything's
baby,
disconnected.
Oh, jeez, he blew out the.
No, I didn't
TCU.
blow it. I didn't blow it.
He just fucking.
I kind of blew it.
Blew it out, bro. The
I know.
TCU's dangly jangly.
Nah, dog.
man.
No, this is what I blew. This is what I blew.
The wire's disconnected.
All my wires were just like, goodbye.
Oh no.
It's like a clunk.
Is that thing even like
See,
sealed
now
down?
watch. Turn this on. Hold on. Now watch.
Oh, ah! Turn it off.
Watch this, guys.
We're gonna
Oh
go
shit.
inside.
Hey, watch this, guys. Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Together. Put new boot goofing.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the show, the show. Heading back to my car, and I'm about to go home, do a little editing. I'm down to like the last, like literally 3 minutes of space. Oh gosh, it's frozen. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Leave a like and a comment. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you think. And I'm really appreciative of everybody that's subscribed so far. Hopefully we can keep going, you know, kind of really make a difference and, you know, just bring to y'all some super cool entertainment. All right, have a good one, you guys. Later. Bobby Boosted out. Wait, hang on. Yeah, hold up. What was that thing I said earlier? All right, Bobby Boosted checking out. Deuces.